Hi, this is Anais Salas with Tech Talk Cooperative and Tech Talk Cafe. I'm going to demo a very important piece of information that was missing in the tutorials. If you are a user of Zapable and you are making mobile apps using the Zapable software and interface, it's a really terrific product, but I found there was a piece of information missing and it was really quite frustrating. So I'm going to just talk you through what that was and how you can make sure you don't miss what you need to know. So first of all, I'm going to show you, this is the interface for managing the app and putting in all of your features and updating and previewing in the simulator here. All of that works really great. And then here you have the option to change the look and feel of your app as you're designing it and changing your layouts, changing your visual elements. And so if you're using Zapable, you're already probably really familiar with that. So what I wanted to show you is once you've completed your app and you're ready for your next step, well, in the tutorials, there is information about building your first app and then how to go ahead and get started using Google Play and Android for putting your app out there. So one of the things that's interesting is that it's pretty easy to get into the Google Play developer and get all of your information down, but one of the things that they ask you for when you are in the developers page is they ask you for something that's called an APK. So here you'll notice all the various video tutorials, lots of really good information about how to work within Zapable to get your app set up and working, get your push notifications and so on. Now, what I wanted to show you was when you go to Google Play and after you've paid your $25 fee to Google to be able to publish your application, as you're setting up your app for either alpha testing or beta testing or just for straight up production, the developer console is going to ask you for an APK. Well, if you notice in these tutorials, there is nothing in here about how to download your APK. So I'm pretty thorough. I'm a real girl geek and I look through everything and then I search the Zapable Academy for, how do I download my APK? Where's the APK? And then I ended up having to send a support ticket into Zapable because I went to the forum, which is closed for registration. So as a new owner and user of Zapable software, I couldn't get into the forum just to ask someone else who's using Zapable this quick bit of information. So I finally did get a response back from the support team at Zapable, and they sent me a link to something that is not in their training. And so I want to show you now what you need to do. When your app is finished, you want to go here to this My Apps section here, and you want to click on this icon. And when you do this, this is for the Android Play APK, and just clicking on this will download your APK that then you can just drag and drop into your console interface. And let me see if I can jump on that page and find it for you so I can show you what that looks like. Let me go to the dashboard. This should take me back in, hopefully. Yeah, so this is what your developer console looks like. And here are your tabs for doing the various things you need to do. When you click on APK, you can upload an APK to production. And I'm just going to go to beta testing for a minute so you can see what this looks like. So here it says to me, there is no APK in beta testing. Upload new app APK to beta. So you can see down here in the corner, there is an APK that is now downloading. And when this is finished, and this is your first version, you will come in and you will simply drag and drop. I'm going to click on this, you can see. You're going to drag and drop your file. Give me a second. I'm going to minimize this and go to my desktop and find it and come back. So if I go and look at my desktop, I'm going to find this and I'm going to just drag this here, right? And you'll see that this starts to upload. And then you'll be able to take the next step to getting your app into production or into alpha beta testing. And I want to promise you this was not in any of the tutorials or any of the articles with specific references to how to get your app published. Really important piece of information missing, so I wanted to add it to the Zapable training. Okay, that's it for me. This is Anna E. Salas with Tech Talk Co-op and Tech Talk Cafe. Cheers!